Welcome to another set of hair hack videos. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a rubber band and then secure it tightly with a 5-legged Juda pin or a back pin. Then take the rest of the part of the hair, secure it properly with a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. It should be half, then give it a heart-shaped look. Take the lower part of the hair, insert it upwards and then roll it just like that. You are done here. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a upper ponytail and roll it inside. Give it a ribbony look. Take the rest of the hair, tie it with a rubber band. Take lower part of the hair, insert it inside and roll it around that upper part. Secure it tightly with a rubber band. Your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the lower section, divide it in two, insert it in two parts, tie both the parts together, then insert a back pin to the rubber band and insert it properly in the upper part. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the rest of the part, divide it in two, insert one part through the gaps of another. Take both the parts together, secure it properly and then insert it with a rubber band just like that. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then take another part of the hair, tie it with a ponytail again, then take rest of the part of the hair, tie it again and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it with a rubber band and then insert a back pin or a Juda pin. Roll small sections of the hair inside to and fro from that back pin just as shown in the video. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Then take that ponytail and make it to look like this and then keep repeating the same process. Then when you are done, roll it upwards and secure it properly with a back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, insert a back pin and keep inserting small sections of the hair inside that back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, take two small sections of the hair from each half and then insert it inside the other half, then decorate it properly with the favorite brooch. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail and roll that hair through that Juda pin and cleverly. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail and then roll it upwards all the way up around the circle and then secure it tightly with a Juda clutcher. Thank you for watching.